Now, who is in a shopping bag? In a Coles shopping bag? Who is in there? I'm not sure. I think I hear somebody in there. Who might be there? Is it a bird? A plane? Or is it a Luna? I don't know. Let me guess. Let me have a look. Who is in the bag? Come on. Have a look. Whoa, it's Luna.
Yes, it
Luna's
is me,
new
Luna.
house. Hi, Luna. How are ya? She said she's not coming out before I buy a ring. Yeah.
She likes her prize.
Luna wants a diamond ring. Come out, whoever it is. Come on, come on, come in. Oh, look, it's Luna's new home.
Leave me alone.
Oh, look at who is there. Oh, it's a girl called Luna. Say
I can
hi
never
to
have any
everybody.
privacy in this house.
Hello. Hi. Alright, I'll close it now. Dip you in. You can enjoy a new home. Luna. Luna. Oh, something's moving. Oh, what? What's going on? What is going on there, Luna? It's getting squashed. Oh my goodness. What is Luna doing now? Can anybody guess who's there?
Oh,
I think it's Luna. She's crashing in the house. Luna. Come out, Luna. We know you're there. I can see your back. Hello, Luna. Oh,
Luna.
she's been crushed
What
in the
happened?
house. The house crashed.
Luna. Luna.
Look at that. What's in there? In the little house. Oh, look. It's Luna.
I give up.
Came out from your house. Huh, Luna? In your cubby house. There you go. Go back
You
in.
people are so
Have a look.
annoying.
That's it. You like it? Come on, Luna. Go back in, Luna.
Get big bird. Get big bird. Big bird. Who are you? You're not getting big birdie?
Bye everyone.